Okay guys, so welcome back. We're going to jump right into this video, but before we do, let's go ahead and look out for your girl. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and go ahead and join the crew that is the Get Fresh crew. It is Mother's Day. I decided to have some wine, which we all should have. I am a part of the Wino Clique over on Tasha K channel. Go over and check her out if you haven't already. I'm feeling sexy, I'm feeling pretty, and I am going to cut layers in my hair today, so I want to go ahead and just include you. First of all, let me get rid of this annoying ass phone. Okay, so I've been making a lot of progress with my videos, at least I think so, and from what I'm hearing from my friends and you guys, I am. So, I do have a new lens. I'm so tall. I'm trying to get everything in the screen. So, when I pull up my hair and cut it, you guys can see it. But I may have to, like, bend down like this. Like, I don't know what the hell is going on. I guess it's the space that I'm working with because I told you guys that I was thinking about doing layers. And if I did decide to do them, I would include you guys. So, that's what I'm back to do another video today. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to just split the back in 2 halves. So this is what we're working with. First of all, let me just show you guys. I've already divided this 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one I did this. So Minnie Marley and what was this other chick? Oh, Peak Mill. Peak Mill, I did like the video that she made regarding cutting the hairs in layers. That was cute. However, that was a wig. So I was a little skeptical with that, but I guess it's somewhat the same. Still cutting. But Marley, of course, was cutting her own hair. Marley went in, but yeah. Hopefully I don't have to do all that. But yeah, I just want to even things up. Not necessarily even up my hair. I want it to be in a shape form, which it is in a shape form. But I just got done with a wash and go, and I don't know, but I cut my ends before I did that wash and go. It was amazing. My ends, they're feeling really brittle. They're feeling dry and things like that. So I don't know what's up with that, but I can't take it. I can't take it. Those ends, they have to go, they have to go, they have to go. So I decided to just go ahead, instead of going through it again, cutting it, I decided to just go ahead and go with, let's do the layers and see where we get from there. You know how you see those girls that make the videos and you be like, dang, you know, it wasn't necessarily a correct way to do it, but it turned out good. That's what I'm hoping from this video. Alright guys, till next time, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to join the crew. And if I decide to go back in, I will let you guys know. But I can't really see as good as I would like to. And I'm thinking that everything is good. Because my hair actually grows in the way that I like to wear it. But I want to just, I may just go in here just to get that definition and cut some more. Oh, let me tell you guys, I have gained more subscribers, so I am so happy for that. This is a hobby of mine. I enjoy doing this when I can. It was fun. It was kind of all over the place because, like I said, it is Mother's Day. Yeah, I was going to do this anyway, and I didn't want to leave you guys out. So, yeah, for all the fans of the hair and the natural hair and all that good stuff, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm getting better. And yeah, so this is pretty much how I'm going to probably wear it this week. The whole point is to be like in an afro style. So that's why I blew it out, but I didn't blow it out bone straight. And all I wanted was just some shape. That's about it. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what I've done off camera. I don't know if you can see a huge difference, but to me it's great. I love it. It is some form of shape, which is all I wanted. I could have went in more on this side, which would have gave me a little more height. But my hair tend to be, I can manipulate it to do that. So this is how much hair I cut off once I went off camera. So basically what I did, I was able to get into a bigger mirror. It's just a piece of lint or something in there. But I was able to get into a bigger mirror. But yeah, I don't wear my hair straight, so I'm not even necessarily worrying about what it would look like if I was to wear it flat out, because I don't wear it like that. I love big hair. That's normally how I wear it. Even when I wear wigs, I wear big hair. I like it, guys. I like it. It works. It looks great to me. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because I'm not a licensed beautician. I can't see in the back of my head, but I just gauged it. But I think when you're doing your hair, or when you are trying these, whatever you see on YouTube, or whatever tips you get from other people regarding your hair, makeup, whatever it is, I think as long as you like it, that's all that matters. So I'm about to finish sipping my wine with lipstick all over the glass. And yeah, so this is it. This is how I'm wearing my hair for today. And what I'm basically doing, I have been trying different styles to see how I want to wear it because I have a couple of events coming up. I am going to the Bahamas here pretty soon, and I was just, you know, debating on how I want to wear my hair. So all in all, again, this is how much hair I cut off, guys, when it was sectioned off into those sections. And this is how much hair I cut off once I went off camera to get it in some form of shape or angle. So all together, this is how much hair I end up cutting. Which isn't bad. I mean, I have a lot of hair, so. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. And I just wanted to come back and let you guys know what I came up with once I went off camera. So yeah, I'm loving this. And you guys know once I do a twist out or whatever it is, you know, we can manipulate this thing to get bigger and higher. So I'm probably going to get even more of a shape. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I am. I'm loving it. As long I see some form of shape, and that's all that I wanted. So yeah, I'm happy. I got lazy. I was going to put on lashes. I changed my mind about that. I was going to do my nails. I changed my mind about that. All right, guys. I don't know. I mentioned that because I know a lot of people say, oh my gosh, she's so put together, and her nails are not done. And that's because I don't know if I've mentioned this. I know I've mentioned this in another video. I am allergic. All of a sudden, I don't know, out of nowhere, my body start reacting to the acrylic. I used to get my nails done all the time, faithfully. I do get them done on occasions, and when I do get them done, I have to do like the nail dip powder dip, whatever it's called, and it's not attractive at all as far as the breakout around my fingers. So yeah, I choose not to go that route. It's not that serious. But I can at least polish them. So I'm gonna work on, you know, putting some polish on for you guys. But yeah, that's the deal with my nails. If you always notice that I don't have nails on, that's the reason why I don't have them. So I just realized that I could have done more lighting. So I'm just coming back on just to see the difference. So in editing, I'll know from now on to go ahead and increase that ISO. But yeah, it looks great already. I can tell I'm going to be so mad because for the whole duration of the video, it was down to 800. I did boost it up to 1600. And the reason I'm giving you guys these numbers because there are a lot of different YouTubers or, you know, inspiring YouTubers or people that want to get into the business that, you know, need to know these things and need to know, you know, different tips. Let me just show you right quick. ISO is at 1600. Let me take it down to where it was. That was at 800. So to have, you know, I like my colors and everything to pop. I like everything to look vibrant and nice. Which these colors don't look bad right now, but look at the difference after I've done my entire video already. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, it is Mother's Day. Hopefully you guys, you know, if your mother is alive, you can hug her and tell her how much you love her and appreciate her. And if you guys are moms and you haven't had anyone to appreciate you or to acknowledge that it is Mother's Day or it is a great day in America, should be known for every day because we're moms every day.